Alright guys, so you didn't get to see me finish the roof up the last time because the camera battery died, but this is my finished product. I'm not sure how good of quality you can tell with no sun, but this is the end product. And on this side, you know, this one's a little raised. I don't know if you can tell it on camera, but it's a little raised on that one. And basically that one is raised because that's where my felt paper got a little balled up and my starter shingle got a little balled up, so it created a hump, but it's okay. Now what I did notice that my end point over here, you know, you have to cut them and arrange them in a way where you can get it to go to the end, because you can't use a full sheet. So what I'm starting to realize is I might have made some of my joints a little too close. I think I did a minimum of about 2.5 inches apart from my joints, but I think I should have done somewhere in the neighborhood of about 5 to 6 inches of separation at all my joints. Now all of my end pieces are about 6 inches or wider, but my actual joints, like when I mean joints where like you have a full sheet button up to another sheet. So I was trying to see if I can see one. Not sure if I see one, but basically it's where a full sheet butt up to another sheet, and it's hard to tell it in the middle, but if we look on this end, you'd be able to see it. But I think I did my joints a little too close in some areas. Some spots are fine, some spots aren't, but that side is fine because that's, you know, that's the side I actually started from, and it was kind of tricky for me with the end to try to get everything to line up and match perfectly. But enough of that being said, this whole point of this video is for the ridge cap. So I'm gonna get up here. I got a couple of them. I'm gonna go get the rest of them, and I'm gonna get me a chalk line and put me a chalk line up. So all I got to do is put them on the line and shoot them and go. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to get you guys set up on my head, on a mount on my head, so I can go and don't have to hold it. I'll be right back.